binary ones. Now we're going to look for at a formula for finding the sum of terms in an arithmetic sequence. So last section we wrote out the sum the long way and we basically adding them up. If it's an arithmetic sequence, there's a real shortcut. Okay, so it can save you a lot of time, right? So it's not just finding the sum of the first 5 terms, which would be pretty easy, but if you're trying to find the sum of like 200 or 1,000 terms, then you want to be adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 all the way to the 100th or 1,000th term. So this is a formula that is based on the first term in the sequence and the nth term in the sequence. You add them together and you multiply them by how many terms in the sequence, and then you divide by 2. Okay? So let's look at an example. Find the sum of the first 30 terms of the sequence, 8, 13, 18, 23, and 28. Okay, so first step is to find the general term of the sequence. Actually, the general term, it's not that necessary. It's helpful, but not that necessary. So I'm not going to say there. So the formula here is going to be, so S30 is going to be 30 over 2, because we have 30 terms, A sub 1 plus A sub 30. Okay, so we need to know A1, which we do. A1 is the first term in the sequence. And we need to know A30. Okay, and this one you find with the formula that we learned just before. So an is a1 plus n minus 1d. That's the formula for the general term of an arithmetic sequence. So a30, we're going to plug in the first term, which is a, plus 30 minus 1, times d, which is the common difference. So we can see the common difference here is 5, right? So d is 5. All right, so this is going to be 8 plus 29 times 5, which is, right, 8 plus 29 times 5, which is 153. Good. Now we're going to put these into here. So we have A1 and A30. So we have S30 equals 30 divided by 2. A1, which is 8, A30, which is 153. So this is 15, and then 8 plus 153 is 161, times 15, 2,415. Right, so that's the sum of the first 30 terms of that sequence. All right.